Hey Jim, let's talk real estate.
We're starting to get, after this quarter's earnings, some definitive analysis of how much land there is on the books. The housing companies have been reluctant. I don't want to say that they've been lying, but they've been reluctant to give us hard numbers of how much land they've optioned. They still haven't given us how much money that they've bought for these options. But remember, the preferred way for the home builders to buy land for homes was to take out an option, and then when they realized they were going to build, they would then put the money down. Now, all of the options that have been put on the last 2 years are looking quite bad. What we saw yesterday from Pulte, from Horton, from Beazer, is we're starting to get actual numbers of the options. And what it looks like is not all home builders are still created equally. I have been negative on every single home builder. What I'm now seeing is that Centex, not a great, you don't want to own it, but you might have to cover Centex because their option pool is not as bad. I have really no hope for Beazer. I think that theirs is terrible. A lot of people think that Lennar is now in the clear. I don't agree with that at all. A lot of people feel that Toll Brothers is in the clear. I don't agree with that. KB Homes is like Beazer. That's still very bad. But at least, I mean, you can say, well, Jim, you just said everybody's bad. What I'm saying is that they're bad, but we're beginning to figure out how much they're losing. And you might want to do a pair trade at this point. You might want to go long Centex versus any of the ones at CTX, any of the ones I just said short. I think what's different in this video, what I'm saying is, I have one. I have one that I would actually buy because it's further along in taking the charges and its balance sheet's good.
Okay. Jim Cramer, Brittany Umar, you're watching Wall Street Confidential.